Hi, welcome back. If you have been following my journey on Instagram or YouTube, you already know this is not about Java. This is about discipline and consistency and rebuilding life step by step. In my last reel, I said something very clearly. I have already learned if else and switch case in Java, but I'm not moving ahead alone anymore. I want to slow down, bring everyone to the same level, and then continue together. So today we start from the real beginning. And let me be very clear, this is not a crash course, this is not a shortcut. This is a foundation first Java journey. Before writing codes, we'll understand what a computer actually is, how instructions flow, why programming languages exist. And only then we'll move into Java with clarity and not fear. Now, a very common and logical doubt. You might be thinking, if a goal is Java, why we are starting with computer, hardware, software, and programming? That's a valid question. So let me explain and answer it honestly. Most people don't fail at Java because Java is difficult. They fail because they never understood the machine they are writing the code for. Think about it. Java is not magic. Java is not intelligence. Java is simply a language used to give instructions to a computer. And if you don't clearly understand what a computer really is, how it works internally, what it understands and what it doesn't, then Java becomes memorization, not learning. You can write code, but the moment something breaks, everything feels confusing. I don't want that for you or for me. So today, we don't start with Java. We don't start with code. We start with the machine behind everything. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine. Electronic means it works using electricity. But what does it actually do? So, a computer takes input, processes the input, then produces the output according to the instructions. That's it. A computer does nothing on its own. It doesn't think, it doesn't decide. It only follows instructions very fast and very accurately. Now the question is, how does a computer works? Every computer follows one simple cycle, that is input, process, and output. Let's break this down. Input is anything that the user gives to the computer. Example, typing on a keyboard, clicking on a mouse, touching a screen, giving voice commands. All of this is input. Processing happens inside the computer. This work is done by the CPU. The CPU calculates, compares, applies logic. This is where instructions are executed. Now output is the result shown to the user. Example, a text on a screen, sound from the speakers, or images, videos, and printouts. Every app, website, and program follows the same input, process, and output cycle. Now let's understand the hardware. Hardware means the physical part of a computer. Things you can see and touch. Example, a keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, RAM, hard disk. Hardware is like the body of a computer. Without hardware, a computer cannot exist. Next is software. A software is a set of instructions or programs that tells the hardware what to do. Example, Windows, mobile apps, computer applications. Software controls the hardware. Without software, hardware is useless. You have the body but no instructions. Now comes program. A program is a set of step-by-step instructions written to perform one simple task. Example, calculator program, music player program, game program. Each program performs one task. And one software is made up of many programs. Now comes programming. Programming means writing programs. It involves logic, instructions, programming languages. Using programming, we build apps, websites, and softwares. Programming is simple. Telling the computer what to do is step by step. That's it. Now let's connect everything together clearly. So, hardware is the physical machine, software is instructions. Program is one task. Programming means writing instructions, and computer is the one that executes everything. Nothing is separated and everything is connected. Now that we understand what a computer is, how it works, hardware, software, program, and programming, the next logical question is, if computers are so powerful, why they can't understand human language directly? And that's where binary languages and programming languages comes in. That's exactly what we'll cover in the next video. That's it for today. No rush. PDF notes for this video are shared in the WhatsApp group. A link is in the description. Take your time, understand properly. We'll move forward together only when the foundation is strong. So thank you.